Hello everybody, welcome to my Plan Attack YouTube channel. This is part 2 of our 2-part series where we're working on a renovation floor plan for a 1,384 square foot or 128 square meter walk-up house in Washington, D.C. Now this floor plan was submitted to me by Jessica. She is looking for some renovation idea and floor plan advice. Her house was built in 1900, a long time ago. In the last episode, we worked on the main floor, and in this episode, we're going to work on the upper floor, which is the bedrooms and bathrooms. So let's get started and let's identify some of the design problems that we have to overcome. The first one is the bathroom. The bathroom is basically the size of a bedroom with plumbing fixtures kind of randomly placed in it, which doesn't make a lot of sense. So we need to rework the bathroom, plus we need to add a second bathroom upstairs. The laundry is also a problem. It's an up-down machine with a lot of wasted space around it when space is at a premium on this floor. The middle bedroom is very narrow and very long, and there is no closet, which is also a problem from a functional point of view. We also have 2 doors coming into the bedroom, which is not necessary at all. And then the biggest issue, of course, is the primary bedroom is a nice size. It's got a really great bay window, but there is no closet space other than this teeny tiny closet next to the fireplace. And then we have a hall closet, which is really kind of useless if you are trying to get ready and you don't want to go into the hall to get ready. We also have a very, very narrow hallway between the stairwell and this wall, but I don't think we can do much about it because this is a heritage house and we have to remember that we can't just start moving the stair or do anything like that. So we're gonna have to work with some things and we're gonna have to improve others. So let's get started. I've done a little bit of a demolition plan. And in my demolition world, I have taken basically everything out. And I'm going to start again because we really do need to address the bathroom. It just doesn't work in the back. We're going to be doing a whole house renovation, so it does give us the opportunity to move some of the plumbing. So this is what I like to start with, and for those of you who've been following me, you know what these are. These are what I call the puzzler pieces. 2 of them are bedroom sized and 2 of them are bathroom sized because this is what we have to put back into the plan. And our bedroom sized pieces are 9 foot by 9 foot or 2.74 by 2.74 meters, which is the minimum size I would recommend for a bedroom as per my critical dimensions book. And the bathroom is 5 feet, 1.52 meters by 7 foot 6 in length, which is 2.29 meters, which is the minimum size I recommend for a bathroom in North America. Now, of course, in Europe, you can go smaller. There's other options, but in terms of my critical dimension criteria, these are the minimum sizes. So we know pretty much as a given that the bedrooms are gonna have to go front and back. And to put 2 bedrooms back, we have lots of room. So I'm not really worried about that. I am going to show you at the end an option of putting a 3rd bedroom in. I'm going to save that to the end in the middle because it does fit. But we're going to start just with 2 bedrooms. Now the bathrooms, interestingly enough, are identical in size, and it makes sense that we have one, I would say, kind of towards the back for the 2nd bedroom, and maybe we can use this window. And I think in this case it makes sense for the bathrooms to be back to back because we could have the ensuite accessible from the primary bedroom into the center, and this bedroom can have this as a kind of family or common bathroom. So this is how I'm going to pursue this design. Now, I just want to give you guys a heads up as well. If you're interested in all of my Plan Attack programming, please click subscribe. And that way you can keep up on every single video that I put out because I do a new one. I'm going to try to do a new one every week with a different floor plan from around the world. So click subscribe, and that way you won't miss out on anything. So let's move on now to what I have drawn up as my renovation idea. So I have basically, again, put the bathrooms back to back in the center. They are slightly bigger than what we had room for, which is nice. So we get a big counter. This one has a window by the tub, which is nice. And then I've got a big bedroom with a closet. This primary bedroom is nice and big. I've got 2 closets on either side, and I have kind of converted this headboard wall into some storage. If I add the furniture in and then add my people in, this is kind of what I've come up with. I've got a really nice big king-size bed. I've used the bay window as a seating area, and I've tucked a desk in here, so you've got a working area. I've got the closets flanking on the wall. I tucked the laundry into this little space by the hall, and then I've got a nice big secondary bedroom as well. Now, it's interesting because I think the criticism I'm hearing would be, why don't you put in a walk-in closet? Well, I did play with that, and I just want to show you my notes on the walk-in closet and why I abandoned it. I tried a walk-in closet at the front, and to me, it just made the bedroom too tight, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do at this space. I guess I could have extended the walk-in closet up, something like that, on this side and made it big, but it just feels like the walk-in closet ended up dominating. So if I try the walk-in closet up by the bathroom, which is another option, I could have made it here. What I find is that the king bed didn't fit, and it doesn't really fit on this side. It feels weird to walk in on the king bed. So I was struggling with this. I'm sure that you would be able to come up with a better design with a walk-in closet for the bedroom, but I abandoned ship on that, and I stuck with my original principles and decided that for the age of the house and for the style of the house, I was just going to keep it really simple and have 2 wall closets, lots of room, big bathroom, and call it a day. So I'd like to know what you guys think about this. I've also come up with an option B, which is a 3-bedroom version, and I'm showing you both option A and B side by side. And I'm very interested to know which one you prefer. Would you go for a 3-bedroom version in this house, or would you stick with a 2-bedroom version? I'd also like to hear what you think about my idea to abandon the walk-in closet altogether. So post a message and I will read them all. If you're interested in a consultation for your own floor plan, or you want to learn more from my online courses or PDF ebooks, you can go to plan-attack.teachable.com. and you can see everything that I've got to offer. So that's plan-attack.teachable.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.